Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft once again has released a new Microsoft Defender update package for Windows installation images, which will refresh the security protection included with Windows Setup Media. Now the package is targeting ISO installation images, as I've posted previously, and helps prevent freshly installed Windows systems from starting with outdated Defender components and malware definitions. So if we head to the changelog, here we can see it supports the following OS installation images. So it's basically Windows 11 and 10 across the board. And if we head to this section, we can see the latest security intelligence version is 1.455. So basically Microsoft is closing the protection gap on new installations using ISO installation images. And Microsoft periodically refreshes its Defender installation image packages because Windows installation media can remain unchanged for long periods of time. So without these updates, a newly installed system could initially use older Defender updates and definitions until Windows Update downloads newer protection. So it's not always optimum, which is not always optimum. So at least with this, when you install a new system, you have much more up-to-date Microsoft Defender definitions, which I do think is a nice move. And the package updates the protection built directly into supported Windows installation media rather than replacing the regular Defender update mechanism after installation. And although the installation image, as we can see, contains Security Intelligence version 1.455, Microsoft's regular Defender Security Intelligence has already reached 1.457 at the time of posting. So if I head into Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, Protection Updates, here we can see 1.457. And this package is still on 1.455, but at least it's a newer version, not the most up-to-date, like we currently have if you are receiving updates automatically for your security intelligence on Windows 10 and Windows 11. But at least it's closing that protection gap with a more up-to-date security intelligence version. So just keeping you guys posted. And here's the size for ARM64, 142 megabytes, 32-bit 219 megabytes, 64-bit 242 megabytes. And here are the links for 32-bit, 64-bit, and ARM64. I'll leave this page in the description if you would be interested. And just keeping you guys posted, because I know a lot of you do like to install Windows using ISO image files. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.